My name is James Weimer. I'm a retired middle school teacher. I have a background in technology. So I interviewed 3 different solar companies, and the one that really stood out to me was ES Solar. They had the most information and the best bunch of people behind it, okay? And it was so awesome. I didn't have to talk my wife into it. She was already sold on solar. That if I got solar, I wanted several things with it. One, that produced enough power to run our house, the air conditioning, the heating, all of that, a battery backup system, a system that would turn on, the street power went out, and that we wouldn't even notice it. And we've had several occasions up here where even our neighbors will come over and go, "How do you have power?" That we have solar. So it's a win-win situation. I can't praise it enough. Yeah. There are 2 things in life. There are wrong things and there are right things. The wrong thing is not going with ES Solar. Okay? The right thing, I'm just going to tell you, you can't go wrong with ES Solar. I promise. Okay? I'm the happiest person on the planet.